Struggling with a vacuum that chokes on carpet but scatters dirt across your hardwood? You aren't alone, and frankly, you deserve better. Today, we're ending the frustration with 5 elite machines that actually master both surfaces. Welcome back to the channel. If these picks save your sanity, check the links below to grab yours. The number 5 product on our list is DREAME H15 Pro Vacuum Cleaner. Deep cleaning your home often feels like a losing battle against invisible dust mites and stubborn sticky spills that refuse to budge. Most families are forced to juggle multiple clunky machines because one tool rarely masters both delicate tile and dense rugs. This high-performance hybrid shatters that frustration by auto-detecting brush swaps to transition from 212F hot water mopping to intense 23 kPa carpet suction in seconds. It is a massive relief for busy parents and pet owners who need to erase messes without the nightmare of hair tangling in the roller. While it requires a bit of maintenance to keep the high-speed drying system at peak performance, the sheer 60-minute runtime offers a level of freedom that basic cordless sticks simply cannot match. If you are a homeowner seeking a smart, all-in-one sanctuary that sanitizes floors while purifying your indoor air, this tech-forward upgrade is your definitive answer. Stop compromising on cleanliness and start walking on floors that actually feel as fresh as they look. At number 4 is Eureka Vacuum Cleaner. Invisible to the naked eye, your carpets actually act as massive filters that trap up to 4 times their weight in dust and skin cells. Most people feel defeated by standard vacuums that constantly choke on hair wraps, forcing you to stop and cut tangled strands mid-clean. This 350W powerhouse ends that frustration with an anti-tangle nozzle and smart sensors that automatically boost suction the moment they detect hidden debris. It is a massive relief for pet owners who need a lightweight cordless solution that transitions seamlessly between kitchen tiles and plush bedroom rugs. While the 60-minute runtime is impressive, the real value lies in the H13 HEPA filtration that locks away 99.95% of microparticles and stale odors. It is a much more agile choice for multi-story homes compared to heavy, traditional uprights that lack handheld versatility. If you want a tech-forward tool that finally outsmarts the mess in your home, this refined machine is your path to total atmospheric clarity. Transform your floors into a pristine sanctuary today. The third one on our list is Kenmore BC3005 Vacuum Cleaner. Standard household dust is actually a complex cocktail of dead skin, outdoor pollutants, and microscopic allergens that a basic upright often just spreads around. Most people suffer through heavy, clunky cleaning sessions that leave their lower back aching and their carpet still feeling gritty beneath their feet. This dual motor bag system changes the game by offering a specialized bare floor tool and 4 height adjustments that transition from sleek hardwood to deep pile rugs with total precision. It is a massive relief for those who want to avoid the messy dust clouds of bagless bins, as the triple HEPA filtration locks away 99.97% of particles. While the corded canister design requires a bit more floor space to navigate compared to slim cordless sticks, the retractable 26-foot cord and telescoping wand make reaching high ceilings or car interiors feel effortless. If you need a versatile, durable workhorse that prioritizes pure air and professional-grade suction, this lightweight maneuverable unit is your ticket to a truly pristine home. Finally, take a deep breath in a space that is as healthy as it is clean. On number 2 is Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The hidden ecosystems of dust mites thriving in your rugs can actually weigh up to several pounds over time, silently affecting your family's respiratory health every single day. Most homeowners feel overwhelmed by machines that clog instantly with pet hair, forcing you into the gross routine of manually cutting tangled strands from the rollers. This innovative upright ends that chore with a self-cleaning brush roll and a dual fin system that maintains constant contact with both plush fibers and polished wood. It is a massive relief for busy parents who need to lift away the detachable pod to sanitize stairs or high corners without lugging a heavy base. While it lacks the cordless agility of ultra-slim sticks, its superior suction and sealed HEPA filtration lock away 99.9% of allergens that other units simply vent back out. If you want a rugged, multi-surface workhorse that reveals hidden dirt with bright LED headlights, this versatile powerhouse is your smartest household investment. Walk across your home and finally feel the difference of a truly purified floor. Now moving to the last one is Bissell CleanView Vacuum Cleaner. Every single footstep on your carpet releases a hidden cloud of dander that settles deep within the fibers, eventually dulling the vibrant colors of your home. Most homeowners feel the daily frustration of vacuums that simply spray debris across slick hardwood rather than actually sucking it up. This agile upright changes the narrative with scatter-free technology and a triple-action brush roll that aggressively lifts embedded pet hair while remaining gentle on delicate surfaces. It is a massive relief for pet parents who need to navigate tight corners and heavy furniture without the typical struggle of a rigid machine. While it lacks the automatic cord rewind found on some premium models, its edge-to-edge suction and swivel steering offer a level of thoroughness that makes every session feel incredibly productive. If you want a dependable, lightweight tool that handles multiple floor types while supporting a foundation for homeless animals, this versatile machine is your ideal choice. Transform your living space into a truly refreshing environment where every breath feels pure. Among all the winter, the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner offers incredible suction and versatile self-cleaning brush rolls, making it perfect for homes. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 vacuum cleaner for carpet and hardwood floors. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.